Where is Brio Direct headquarters? Have you ever wondered where the magic happens? You know, the place where all those amazing products you see on TV commercials come to life? Well, today we're going on a virtual tour to uncover the secrets of Brio Direct's headquarters. Brio Direct, a force in direct marketing. Before we dive into the location, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible work that Brio Direct does. They're a powerhouse in direct marketing, known for their innovative campaigns and high-quality products. Their success is a testament to their talented team and their commitment to excellence. So, where is it located? Drumroll, please. Brio Direct's headquarters is nestled in the heart of beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. Surrounded by stunning desert landscapes and vibrant city life, it's the perfect setting for a company that thrives on creativity and innovation. Inside the Brio Direct headquarters. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a modern and inviting atmosphere. The open floor plan encourages collaboration and fosters a sense of community among the employees. The walls are adorned with colorful artwork and inspiring quotes, reflecting the company's vibrant culture. The heart of innovation. One of the most impressive areas is the Innovation Lab. This is where the magic happens, where new ideas are born and brought to life. The lab is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and cutting-edge equipment, allowing the team to push the boundaries of creativity. Where the magic happens. The studio is another key area within the headquarters. This is where product demonstrations, commercials, and other visual content are created. The studio is equipped with the latest lighting, sound, and camera equipment, ensuring that every production is top-notch. Behind the scenes. Of course, no headquarters is complete without its dedicated team. Brio Direct is home to a diverse group of talented individuals, each bringing their unique skills and expertise to the table. From marketing and design to engineering and customer service, everyone plays a vital role in the company's success. More than just an office. Brio Direct's headquarters is more than just an office, it's a community. The company offers a variety of perks and benefits to its employees, including on-site fitness facilities, gourmet cafeteria, and even a game room. This creates a fun and engaging work environment where employees can thrive. A culture of excellence. Brio Direct is committed to creating a culture of excellence. This means not only providing high-quality products and services, but also fostering a supportive and inclusive environment for all employees. The company values diversity, equity, and inclusion, and is dedicated to creating a workplace where everyone feels valued and respected. So, there you have it, the inside scoop on Brio Direct's headquarters. It's a place where innovation thrives, creativity flourishes, and a team of talented individuals comes together to make magic happen. So, next time you see one of those amazing Brio Direct commercials, remember that it all started here, in this vibrant and inspiring hub of innovation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.